Assalamu alaikum students. Now we have intermediate book, vocabulary section, unit 5, page 44, exercise number 1. So the first exercise, listening and vocabulary, we have a weather forecast. So the first one, you can see question, complete the chart with words from the box. You can see adjectives, noun, verbs, adjectives, and the last one is noun. So here you can see the first one exercise, and down I will move toward answer key. So here we have the answer key of the question number 1. Okay, now we will move toward question 2. Intermediate book, vocabulary section. We have unit 5, page 44, exercise number 2. Look at the map of the Western Europe. Can you name the countries from 1 to 10? So what you have to tell, which countries make up Scandinavia, find them on the map. The second, in pairs, choose two of the countries, talk about the climate, the capital city, the geographical features. So down we have the answer key of this exercise. Now we have intermediate book, vocabulary section, unit 5, page 44, exercise 3 and 4. So here we have a listening track. The first what we have to check, work in 4 groups like A to D, listen to the weather forecast and make notes about your part. What you have finished, swap information. Number 4, walk with the partner. What's the weather like? Where are you today? What do you think it will be like tomorrow? Write a forecast and read it to the class. Okay, now we have a listening track of this related with this exercise. So please listen.
Tape script 5.6. A weather forecast.
And here's the weather for some popular destinations in Western Europe for the next 24 hours.
A.
Let's begin in the north. I'm afraid spring isn't here yet. Another major frontal system will move in from the Atlantic, affecting Northern Ireland and Scotland before moving on to Scandinavia. It's going to bring plenty of rain, which could fall as snow on Scottish mountains, so it will feel very chilly everywhere. Temperatures around 5 or 6 degrees at best in the rain, but much lower in snowy areas, where they will stay around freezing all day. You'll be lucky to see 2 degrees.
B.
Moving south now into England and Wales, most of northern France, and across through Belgium and Holland. Things look more spring-like here, and it will be a lot brighter than in recent weeks. Along Channel Coast especially, there may be a little rain at first, with temperatures reaching only 8 degrees. Inland, however, there will be more sunshine than showers, with all areas becoming warmer and drier as the day goes on. Towards the end of the day, temperatures could be as high as 15 degrees in these regions. The winds will be light, coming from the south, but it will feel very pleasant.
C.
If you're lucky enough to be going to southern France or Spain, you'll find the best of today's weather. In the far south of Spain, mainly clear skies, lots of sun with high temperatures for the time of year up to 24 degrees, and everywhere else 18 or 19 degrees with some cloud. But it's not all good news. Strong winds along the southern French coast could spoil your evening walk.
D.
Further east, across the Alps from Switzerland into northern Italy, there are the remains of another weather system. There will be stormy weather during the day, with thunder and lightning bringing over 2 inches of rain to some lowland areas and heavy snow to the mountains. Strong winds and rain will continue most of the day. The winds will make it feel much cooler for the time of year, with temperatures struggling to reach 10 degrees. And watch out for early morning fog. So that's it. A quick tour of Western Europe. Not bad in central countries, warm and sunny in Spain, cool, wet and windy in parts of Italy and Switzerland. Oh, and stay away from those Scottish mountains unless you're wearing warm clothes.
Okay, now this is finished. Okay, now we have the answer key of this exercise. we have A, B, C, and D comments. So thank you so much for listening this part.